Hello friends, here comes my next video on why you should choose strategic marketing management as a specialization in your MBA program. Usually a lot of my students have requested me because I teach strategic marketing management, so they wanted to understand in their first year MBA program that why they should choose strategic marketing management as a specialization of marketing in the second year of MBA program. So now I would like to talk about and answer this why element of strategic marketing management and the relevance of this course. And I would like to start with a case study of Gurmeet Kaur. I have read this case study recently in the Economic Times dated February 15, 2021. And when I was going through with this particular case, so then I realized the importance of making this video for my students, so that they are able to understand with the practical aspects while relating it with the case of Gurmeet Kaur. So Gurmeet Kaur, who has joined as a head strategic marketing in a company called Huntsman, who are the manufacturer of differentiated chemicals. So division she has been provided with the polyurethanes, and the territory she has been allotted in the Indian business basically. The key responsibility areas of Gurmeet Kaur was designed as the execution of the strategies developed by the top management of the institution, achieving growth for the organization, and creation of revised customer value proposition based upon the external business environment. And apart from this, the sustainable delivery of solutions to the target customers, and to follow the trends that are available in the market, and to provide effective solution using customer centric approach. So these are the KRAs of Gurmeet Kaur for the strategic marketing domain. She is actually experienced in the chemical domain itself because she, being the BTech in chemical engineering, and after that she has done postgraduate diploma in business management from ISB Hyderabad. And she was given this job because of her experience and qualification. So guys, this is very, very important. If you are an engineer, BTech in computer science or chemical or electrical or electronics or mechanical, so, and if you do your MBA program, so you probably would be given a preference in the strategic domain. That's one of the best reasons that you should go ahead with the strategic marketing as a specialization. And apart from this, those who belongs to commerce domain and science domain, they are also given preference in different industries that are related to commerce and science specifically. So strategic marketing is a very important domain, and it is highly recommended for students to take this specialization, so that later on, probably within 2 or 3 years of experience after doing their MBA, they are definitely given the role of a strategic marketeer. So this course is very much relevant. So now let me talk about the relevance of choosing strategic marketing management as a specialization. Basically, that gives you an understanding of the portfolio analysis of parent companies, and which includes the strategic business units. For example, Reliance Industries Limited, being the parent company, has got more than 180 strategic business units. So for you, the overall understanding of the corporate, not just the company, is very, very important for the creation of marketing strategies. So you need to understand the vision of the organization, the mission of the organization, the goals and the strategies based upon the objectives set by them. And this has to be revised based upon the external business environment and the challenges that keeps happening in the market. Apart from this, you need to understand the different level of strategies, be it corporate level, be it business level, be it functional level, and you need to incorporate the visions and the goals suggested by the organization in your strategies. You also should be very clear with the value chain analysis of the organization and the value delivery networks that covers the suppliers, middlemen, original equipment manufacturers, the channel of distribution related middleman, trading partners, and the collaborations with competitors, non-competitors, related and unrelated players involved in the supply chain management so that you are able to improve the margins of all the stakeholders involved in the business. Apart from this, you also need to understand the key performance indicator so that you are able to find out your growth rate for the organization. So that is very, very important for a student of strategic marketing management to understand the holistic perspective of any organization. So this subject actually talks about the planning phase. Planning, be it the strategic planning or the tactical or operational planning, or be it the contingency planning, you probably need to understand the relationship between these different levels of plans. Then you are supposed to do a marketing or a market analysis. You'll do a segmental analysis, competitor analysis, customer analysis, SWOT analysis, and then you conduct or you are involved in the marketing audit to understand the vision, mission, and the goals of the organizations, how the environment is responding, the VUCA element of the environment, and how you should control. Apart from this, you are also responsible to maintain the relationship with your target customers. You are also responsible to understand the models of portfolio analysis, be it NSOF model, or be it BCG model, or be it GE model, be it value chain model. So this modeling is very, very important. So as a student of strategic marketing management, you will understand these models so that you are able to make growth for your organization. You are able to make marketing plans covering product, price, place, promotion, the action schedules, and involving the control decisions. So it is very important for you to become a good marketeer, and you create marketing strategies for emerging markets, for growing markets, for stagnant markets, for hostile markets, for declining markets. Be it the new venture or established venture, or micro, small, medium enterprises, be it non-profit companies, or be it any continent, or be it any region, whether it is China, Europe, USA, Middle East, Asian countries, South America. So you adopt a holistic approach, covering the entire world, and you are responsible to also understand what kind of barriers may come up during the implementation stage of your marketing strategies, and you should be able to resolve all those barriers and problem areas. You are responsible for your internal team and their happiness. So, in a nutshell, you are the only person who drives the organization towards growth, be it organic growth or inorganic growth through collaborations. You are responsible for mergers and acquisitions and licensing and franchising, and you are the one who probably will make your organization a market-oriented organization, wherein the customers would turn that towards your products and services as solutions. So with this, I would like to recommend that marketing students should definitely choose the strategic marketing management as a specialization, because in the longer run, you have to adopt these strategic roles in order to earn a good chunk of money for you and for your organization as well. So this would really help you out, taking your organization to the heights of success. So I hope you must have got an idea about why you should choose strategic marketing management as a specialization in your second year of MBA program. And thank you very, very much.